You have to make a big cat's head out of paper. So you're going to need a reasonable sized square piece of paper, and we're going to fold it in half long ways so you have a big triangle. Now fold it in half again and then unfold it so that you have a line down the middle. And then what we're going to do is fold this side in over the middle and fold this back out so that it looks like this. And then the same on the other side. So fold my triangle in, take this bit back out, and so this is the shape I've got. Now I don't think my cat's going to have a triangle on top of his head, so I'm going to fold this triangle down, and there is my cat's head. So I have to make it look like a cat though. All I'm doing here is adding nose, whiskers, some nice green eyes, and making it look a bit more like a cat. Good luck.